Hello everybody, Root Beer here. So in this video I thought I'd go through question number 17 on the 2000 Gauss paper. So, question 17. ABCD is a square that is made up of two identical rectangles and two squares of area 4 centimeters squared and 16 centimeters squared. What is the area in centimeters squared of the square ABCD? Okay. So this is a sort of question where we're not told the exact layout. Now, what I would suggest, if it's possible, is you're absolutely allowed to bring a pair of scissors and a bunch of scrap paper as long as it's blank, as long as you're not bringing in extra information. So something that I might do if I had a pair of scissors handy is I would cut out a single square and then a smaller square and then maybe some rectangles. They don't have to be exactly the right size as long as you eyeball it a bit. And maybe trying to rearrange them to see exactly how these rectangles and these squares will fit together. Because that is the key to solving this question. How can we make a square out of two squares of different sizes and two rectangles that are identical? Or alternatively, how can we divide a big square into two identical rectangles and two smaller squares? And so you can explore that. You can actually cut out pieces of paper and arrange them on your desk, or you can just sit there and think about it, or you can try and draw pictures. And eventually what will happen is you will arrive at this layout here, where you will have, here's our big square, and it is smaller square and two identical rectangles. So here they are. So this is 4 centimeters squared. This one is 16 centimeters squared. So if this is 4 centimeters squared, then that means it's going to have side lengths 2. This one here with 16 centimeters squared, it's going to have a side length of 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters because they're squares. 6 square root of 16 is 4. That's where we get that from. So that means that these rectangles are both going to be 2 by 4. So the rectangles have area 2 times 4, which is 8 centimeters cubed. Now I want the total area of this big square, right? I want the total area, not the side length or anything like that. What is the area in centimeters squared of the square ABCD? Okay. Well, I could say, okay, well, with this 2 here, I'm going to have 2 plus 4, so side length 6 here, side length 6 here. Or I could say, I know the area of these rectangles, I know the area of each of these squares, so the total area is going to be 4 centimeters squared plus 16 centimeters squared, and then plus each of the rectangles. And either way is okay, but we always come out to get 36 centimeters squared in total. Either way that we do it, add up each of the individual areas, or realize that the big square is going to have side length of 6. Either way, 36 centimeters squared is our final answer. And hopefully that is one of the possibilities, and there it is, D, 36. And that about does it for question number 17 on this Gauss paper.